Every day you hustling.
Hey folks, Crypto Hustle here. In today's video, I want to talk a bit about China FUD. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So the news today, Bitcoin drops to 7,000 as China vows to dispose of local exchanges, right? And there's big market crash and all that stuff. So another China ban, and there's just blood across the board as a result, right? I've had some new people reach out to me asking about it. And, this is really nothing new, folks. So in this video, I actually want to go over all the history of the quote unquote China bans that have happened in Bitcoin since 2013 and to look at the price action on the charts as to every time it's been banned. So obviously, like, Bitcoin had a big dump today. And then, just, a month ago, Bitcoin ended up pumping as a result of, the Chinese government talking about blockchain. Everyone got all excited and the Bitcoin price ended up pumping. Obviously, this was the recent China FUD today. Massive drop, some capitulation, and then here's the China FOMO. But let's just kind of go right into the charts. Okay, so 2013. We have some of the first China ban news out there. Bitcoin in China, the fallout from Chinese government banning real-world use, right? You can see December 6th. What happened at the time? Boom, the price starts to crash, right? It's crashing down. More China FUD. So that was all the way back in 2013 when Bitcoin was still very new. I remember that. Anyone who was in the space at the time kind of remembers that. We had a run up based on China getting into Bitcoin, so on and so forth. And then we had some more China FUD down here. So December 17th. People's Bank of China further restricts Bitcoin. Right? And that was like close to the bottom there. So let's just zoom forward, see what else we have on the table. All right, we had some China FUD at the beginning of 2017, right? January 5th, 2017. What was the news? How a China crackdown caused Bitcoin's price plunge, right? And you can look at all these articles. And then we had some more over here on beginning of February 2017, right? February 9th, China's central bank issues new warning to Bitcoin exchanges, right? Price was, $900 at the time. All right, so then we end up with a little bit of a rally. Then in September, we get the big ICO crackdown. China bans ICOs. Anyways, market dumps. Then we have some more FUD not too long afterwards. Bitcoin is sinking on a report. China is going to shut down exchanges. Right? That's right around there. All right, some more China FUD. All right. Some fresh China FUD for 2018. January 2018. China is reportedly moving to clamp down on Bitcoin miners. Right there. Okay. I mean, some of these happen to line up with technicals. Obviously, this market is going parabolic, had a dead cat bounce, return to normal, all that kind of stuff. But sometimes it could just add a little bit of fuel to the fire, right? Then on February 5th, we have some more China FUD. Ban complete. China blocks foreign crypto exchanges to counter financial risks. So that's right there, right? What else do we have? Got a bit of China FUD here. This is August 2018. August 27th. Chinese internet giant shuts down cryptocurrency forums and transactions amidst government clampdown. Right? It's more China FUD. Not as much of a reaction at that time. And then right here, which is the beginning of the year, China wants to ban Bitcoin mining. Right? So that was right there. So this is, as you can see, this is a tradition, right? This happens quite frequently. It's kind of ironic that the markets often react to this China news. So for anybody new, I wouldn't get too excited or scared about any of this. You know, this is kind of like a regular occurrence that we see in the crypto space. So nothing new here. You can go and look at all those articles yourself. Perhaps you'll even find more that I've overlooked. So that's it, folks. I just wanted to do a recap on all that, just to kind of dispel some of the FUD, and maybe, obviously, like, you could trade the big moves. Maybe people take advantage of those news pieces to move the markets a bit, try to like shake up market sentiment or play off market sentiment. But really, this is just a regular day in crypto, so I wouldn't be losing any sleep or shedding tears over this. So anyways, have a great day, folks, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.